So for anyone interested, this is the Commodore cabin on the Brittany ferry Salamanca. Quite a large bed. Nice window. It's an outside door to the back of the ship, and you also have your interior door. Decent sized TV and a fridge. I think there's a few bits and pieces in it. Yeah, you get some complimentary drinks and that, water. Also have your coffee and your tea. And wardrobe space there with a hairdryer. Let's just have a look inside the bathroom. Yeah, quite adequate. Hello. So that's basically it. But it's good to have access to the outside of the ship. So, thanks for watching.